395 voters from 107 families had joined the Tipra Motha party from various political parties at the Panchabati Village of Simna on Sunday. MLA of Simna Constituent Assembly Vrishakhetu Deborma and ADC EM Rabindra Deborma has welcomed their new supporters with their party flag.
For the coming 2024 Lok Sabha election, Simna Constituent Assembly MLA Vrishakhetu Deborma has made a surgical strike. He brought 395 voters from 107 families to Tipra Motha party from CPIM and BJP. A public meeting was organized at the Panchabati Community Hall under the jurisdiction of Simna Vidyashagar Gram Panchayat on Sunday. Over 395 voters from 107 families has joined the Tipra Motha party from CPIM, BJP and various other political parties at the meeting that day. MLA of Simna Constituent Assembly Vrishakhetu Deborma and ADC EM Rabindra Deborma has welcomed their new supporters with their party flag. Apart from MLA Vrishakhetu Deborma and EM Rabindra Deborma, there were also the President of Simna Block Committee, Nirmal Deborma and other executives present at the meeting.
Chini Simna constituency bishik kalajak Panchabati bazaro tini kaisa joining program o jaga Chini Hindustani bai te Bangali bai ro 107 family ni total 395 voters Chini bubagrani Tipra Motha join khlaimani bagai borno sing khabai lamsogo omo haikeno phainai salabo tebo Chini bubagrani je warriors rock samung khlai Chini bubagrani logio bubagrani samung thansani samung tebo krak khlai koi tisarani bagai sing bisigang samung khlailele.
An astounding people has gathered on that day at the meeting. A lot more voters will be joining soon in Tipra Motha party in coming days, says the MLA Vrishakhetu Deborma. Reported by Onimes from Sidai, Chini Khorang.